Hello everyone, welcome back. Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Today is Monday, May 6th. Yes, we are back for another Me Made May. Today is a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful. It is 74 degrees outside. The sky is blue, the sun is out. Everything I desire when it comes to weather. Absolutely ecstatic about that. We will be going to the park later with the boys because this is such a beautiful day and we definitely want to take advantage of that. But yes, let's get into the garment of let's get into this garment for today. After all, that is what you're here for, right? So today I am wearing this dress that is Simplicity 8912. I made this dress for last year's Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge. I actually made this and a different garment, but this was my dress, and then I actually made a jumpsuit as my other contribution. But this dress fits so well. I really like it. It is a maxi length. I don't make a lot of maxi skirts and dresses because I do trip over them when they go to the ankles. For some reason, I just always find a way to step on them. But as long as I wear a bit of a heel, I'm usually okay. But I did wear this with a wedged heel type of sandal that is by Skechers, so it works out really good, and they're very comfortable, so I don't feel like I'm walking around in high heels all day. So I will continue to let this dress be maxi length because of this. The only thing with this pattern is that the bust darts are a little high. I did learn that after making this, and then I did make this a second time and I moved the bust darts down. I still need to move them down a little further, but the fit is great. I just need to move these bust darts down. As far as the appliques, I purchased the appliques from Amazon when I made this, and because I wanted to duplicate the pattern cover, and I think I did a really good job. I will show you what that looks like side by side in the screen somewhere. So yeah, this is my dress for today, and I will let you see what it looks like. Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, May 17th, and I am getting ready to head into dinner. I am going to dinner with my family because my oldest son is here visiting and he is on his way back home. Well, he will be going back home tomorrow. So we're gonna go to this Japanese bistro, Soho's, and eat us a little dinner. I will show you. But I have truly enjoyed my visit with our son. Always want to see him. He will be back probably in a couple of weeks because he's taking care of some business. But yeah, we're gonna have us a nice little dinner, and I am wearing a whole entire Simplicity outfit. I have on a Simplicity top that I made with lightweight denim. It's a boat neck top. I don't recall the pattern name, but I will put it in the screen somewhere. And I'm also wearing my Simplicity 8605 pants. I'll put that in the screen as well. 8605, I believe, but it is my tried and true for wide leg pants. I love these. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and I will give you a full view in a second. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is Wednesday, May 18th. It is very rainy today. Very kind of chilly. I think the high is 55, but you know, we have been having good weather, so a few rainy days here and there is not gonna hurt, right? So about what I am wearing, today is commencement day, and I know I've been showing everyone the fabric and the pattern that I had planned to make for commencement day, which was butter rig 6702. I'll put it in the screen. I almost completed the dress, but I was gonna finish it last night, and one of my children woke up and he was crying and he wanted his mommy, so I had to play mommy duty. Didn't get it done, but I'll try to get it done for the weekend. But yeah, I really thought I would be able to get that done. But another reason why I didn't have as much time to work on the dress that I thought I would have is because my son ended up having to move, my oldest son I should say, ended up having to move his flight around, and he had to go back to California. So we wanted to spend some time with him last night as well, which is why we went to Soho to get us something to eat in a nice Japanese bistro. So that was after work. We didn't get home till around 8 p.m. and then, like I said, you know, once the baby got up, that's pretty much it for me. But like I said, I'll continue to work on that and hopefully have that pattern to show you along with the dress on this coming weekend. But because I was not able to wear the dress that I had planned to make for commencement, I thought about what should I wear. Well, first of all, I wanted to wear a dress. Second of all, I want to wear a dress that has pockets, which most of them do, but I also have to take into account that I didn't want to wear anything with a lot of skin showing or anything like that. So I decided to wear a dress that I have not worn in a little bit of time, and that is this nice Vogue kimono dress. So this dress that I'm wearing is Vogue 9253. I made this in either 2018 or 2019, and I can still wear it because it was made a little big, but not so big that it was like baggy. It's made to be roomy, and it fits really well. It kind of flares out underneath the bust area, and there's a lot of space, which is why I'm still able to wear it, and it looks good still. Like, it doesn't look tight or anything. So I'm very grateful that this pattern was drafted that way, so that, you know, even though I have put on like 40 pounds since I've made this, I'm still able to wear it. And I'll even put in a before picture, like of when I first made it, so you can see how I looked in it, and then you can see, obviously, I'm going to show you how I look in it now. Now this pattern, I don't believe is available anymore by the pattern number 9253. However, they did create a new pattern number for this, which is Vogue 1801. So you can still pick this pattern up just in the new number if this is something that you like. I did make this, I think this is a rayon. I'm not really sure, but it was my first time working with this fabric. It moved all over the place, and I was like, oh, I was so ready to be done. But it did come out great. I did a lot of pattern matching, and even on the sides, like I said, it has pockets, it has a self tie, it has a deep v-neck, but I closed mine up. This v-neck was supposed to come all the way down here. We weren't doing that, so I closed mine up a little bit. I still wear a cami underneath it when I'm in a space where I feel like I need to be more modest. And then I added this trim embellishment, and it does have a zipper in the back. So yes, this is a really good, nice dress. My boss went past me. She said, I really like what you're wearing. You look like you should be on the beach. Yes, honey, it's a come out aisle. But yes, I absolutely love this make. This is one of my favorite makes of all of my makes throughout my whole entire sewing journey. But yeah, that's the skinny on this dress and the reason why I wore it today, and I will go ahead and show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, I've arrived at the University of Notre Dame, and we're gonna go ahead and get these children and adults graduated. And honors. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And let me get your Hello everyone, welcome to the channel here. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Today is Thursday, May 19th, and it is a beautiful day outside. It is 81 degrees. The blue sky is in the air. There are no clouds and the sun is shining, so I am a happy person today, okay? But so for today, what I am wearing, I wanted to wear a dress today. And so I thought about the dress that I have made that I have not shown yet. And I decided to pull out this make right here, which is my Simplicity 9261. This is the dress that I made last May, towards the end of May, in collaboration with Renata of the Twilight Stitcher. We both made this dress, and it is a Mimi G pattern. This dress features a flank, these flanks here, they're quilted, and yeah, I mean, it's just a really, really nice dress. My husband absolutely loves this dress. I love it too. It took me some time because it's kind of like form-fitting, and I don't wear a whole lot of form-fitting dresses, but it's okay. When I made this dress, I made this too big because I made it based off of how I would cut fabric for a woven, but it worked out okay. I did have to take it in quite a bit, about 1 inch in on the sides, and in the back I had to take it in as well. But yeah, it ended up working out okay. It fits fine. I love it. It has these nice beautiful pockets. The fabric that I used, I purchased from Walmart. It was an $8 for 3-yard bundle. So yes, I made this beautiful dress for $8. But that is it for my make for today. I hope you like this beautiful dress, and I will put a link up above so that you can watch the video for the review of that pattern, if you would like to watch that. And if you want to go over to Renata's channel, you can check out hers looks as well. Hers was absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is Friday, May 20th, and I am back with yet another look. I am outside, so I do apologize if you hear a lot of noise. Something is going on in the city, and I think they're like repaving the streets, so it's extra loud. So again, I apologize. But I am coming to you to show you what I wore today. I did go to work today, but while I was at work, I got very busy and forgot to show my makes while I was at work, so I'm doing it afterwards. I am wearing Simplicity 1463. This is a dolman style top that I made. I actually didn't get like the dolman style look because I didn't make it big enough for that. I didn't really want it to look super oversized. I am happy with the look that I got, but if you want the real dolman style look, you're gonna wanna upsize this pattern. But yes, I made view A, and again, Simplicity 1463. And I will go ahead and show you what this top looks like. When I showed it the first time, when I made it on my review, I did wear wide leg jean pants. This time I have it with skinny jeans, so that's how I'll be showing you. The weather today is 88 degrees. It's cloudy, overcast, it is windy, but it's still a great day. So I'll go ahead and show you my make. Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. Today is Saturday the 21st of May, and I am out at the mall shopping with the boys. So yes, I am at the mall shopping with the boys. The battery just ran out on the camera that I was using, so I just had to change. But yes, but it is very nice out here. It's in the 80s, and I am wearing mccalls 7991. This is a dress that I made for the Fruity Fashion collection last summer. And look, more Fruity Fashion. So yeah, you all know I have a fetish for fruity clothing. I don't know what it is. I am still not over it. I have a lot of more fruity fabrics that I plan to sew up. But yeah, I'm gonna call 7991, and I will show you what it looks like. So yeah, I have been walking through this mall because I picked up a lot of things, but people have been complimenting this dress left and right. We all know that this dress is a very basic dress, but it's the fruit. It's the fruit. People love the fruit. You try it. Make you something with these fruits on your dresses or your clothes, and I guarantee you will get the same results. Sorry about the noise in the background. I can't keep the boys quiet any longer, so I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and I will see you on Sunday. Thank you for tuning in to